Hello, Sonu Ramusha, this is natural order. So here one person asked the question. Now basically it is clear that basically in the natural item basically whichever basically things are created till now basically as on today basically is I think Bakra Eid of 2026 year, there is zero contribution of Sunil Nair and that is 100% correct basically. This is planned basically by some group basically. This is planned actually by some group basically. One person told that yes basically. Assume today world will end basically. So this will be that group basically who actually contributed basically. In that contribute basically, do you know what they contributed? Sunil R. Nair basically is not supposed to get the job basically. And in that basically he is not supposed to get house basically in Mumbai city basically. So this was planned basically by some group basically. This was planned actually by some group basically. So one person told that yes basically this was actually planned basically by one group basically. So here one person told that who is that group basically? So one person told that that might be some group basically who basically. So one person told that who might be that group basically. So one person told that that is 100% sure basically it's Indian group basically. But which group? Gujarati group, Malayali group, Tamil Nadu group. Then one person told that India basically it's Indian basically. Indian means all are one basically. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai basically all are one basically. That means Indian basically has damaged across the world basically 150 crore Indian basically are there basically. They have also basically damaged. So here one person told that basically that's where basically things are connected basically. So next should is